20. We want to open it. Right? Let's try to execute. And you can see period closing has been completed, which means now system will allow us to post in the 7th month. So again, I'll go to my delivery. Let's come out and try to do PGI once again. Okay, so you can see post good issue has been performed. If there is FI period is also closed, then you will get the error related to FI also. Okay, because in the morning first session of FI, we already opened the period for October. That is the reason we are not getting that error here. Okay, so now your delivery has been done. The next one is billing. So if you go to billing using transaction VF01, press enter. System will try to generate the billing of this document. Okay, so if I try to save it now, system will create the billing document, but system will not be able to create the accounting document. You can see no journal entry generated. Last time also we faced the same issue. And I told you, in order to work on this error, in order to determine what is wrong in this error, let's go to the change mode and try to release it. Even if you try to release it, you will get the same error. So let me open this, go to environment, account determination analysis, and here click on the revenue accounts. System will tell you which GL account system is not able to determine. So system is, you are charging the price to the customer, right? You are charging the price to the customer, which is how much? Against the ZPR4. And system is also able to determine the GL here. There is no problem in determination of GL. System is able to determine the GL for ZPR4. Because we copied this from PR00, the same settings are copied to ZPR4 also. But in that case, the error is related to some other GL account. For example, if I go to account determination analysis, let me go to the cash accounts. There are no cash accounts, good. Then what is the other error? There is some other error here. So normally,
account.
Sorry, Akshay?
It's related to tax accounting. Tax account configured properly.
Right. So in that case, what should we do?
OB40.
No, but if I want to know the error first.
Okay. Release the VF02 and release the for accounting. Yeah.
But even here also it will give the same error, right?
And go on, it will give
Not,
1002.
right,
I have configured for MWST account, but then this error came and I got stuck. I send you a screenshot also.
Okay. No, sorry, I have not seen your screenshot. But that is the reason I think you configured MWST. That is the reason this 9% tax is coming, right? Otherwise, by default, it doesn't come.
It was by default. It was asking me the tax account was not configured because the NWST is in the pricing procedure. But then I created a GL account for tax and then assign it to MWST.
Okay. So you created 1002.
Yes.
You created 1002, but the problem is you created as P. It should not be P. It should be balance sheet X. Okay. Anyways, we will talk about tax account, so others don't need to worry. I'm just trying to resolve this issue so that we can proceed. So let's go to the billing document once again and try to release it once again. It is showing the same error. Let me go back, VF02, and try to release this. Okay, now you can see document has been saved and accounting has been created. So if I go to accounting, you can see revenue has been booked, customer has been debited, and tax also has been calculated and it has been booked. But we don't need to worry about all these things. What I'm trying to show you is the big question is how system determined this revenue GL account. How system determined that I want to post the revenue in GL account using this GL account. So all the configurations related to account determination. Okay, so whenever we are using the pricing, let me show you one thing. If you go to the pricing procedure, okay, so if I show you the pricing procedure, and if I the pricing procedure that we used, this one, and inside this the conditions. Okay, these are the different condition types. Okay, I will explain you wherever required this different fields, but as of now, let's talk about the account key. You can see this account key. So these are my different condition types, right? You can see what are my different condition types here. ZPR4 is my main base condition type, base price condition type. Then ZRA0 is my discount condition type. In this case, there is no discount. That is the reason system is not asking you anything for this particular condition type. You can see there is output tax, there is freight, right? These are the different condition types. Now, whenever you are going to use this pricing procedure, whenever you are going to use this condition types in your sales order, and ultimately the billing document, at the time of billing, based on this condition type, the values, system will generate accounting document. Okay, in accounting document for each of this condition type, system requires a GL account. Otherwise, system will not be able to know which GL account should be posted to. Okay, so we are not directly assigning the GL account to each and every condition type. We are assigning the account key. You can see account key is assigned to the condition types, and then this account keys are assigned to the GL account in transaction VKOA. Okay, there is a transaction which is SD integration with FI to determine the revenue account, that is transaction VKOA. Okay, if you see your billing document that we created, I think that is again closed. So if I open my billing document using transaction VF03, and if I want to see how system determined the revenue GL, you can go to environment, account determination analysis, revenue accounts, and you can see the combination, how system determined this ZPR4. So it is based on, you can see account determination type YOFI. Let me show you in VKOA settings. Have I opened the VKOA or not? Let me open it. So VKOA, enter. You can see these are the different combination of accounts. This is also the access sequence. So in order to determine the GL, system will first go to this access sequence. It will try to find out if the GL exists or not. If the GL is not able to determine with the first, it will go to second, then it will go to third, then fourth, then fifth. Like this, system will try to find out the relevant GL from all the different accesses. But even after that, if the system is not able to find the GL, then it will throw the error. Okay, let's see whether in the first combination system is able to determine the GL or not. So position for SD, it is V. Okay, condition type we have seen in the pricing procedure. You can see YOFI is our condition type. So you'll go to YOFI. Now within this, our chart of account RECH, our sales organization is again RECH. Let's press enter. So you can see this combination exists here. V, YOFI, chart of account RECH, sales organization RECH, and ERL. This is the accounting key, which is assigned in the pricing procedure. You can say ERL. So based on this account key, if I remove this account key, then for this particular condition type, system will not be able to determine the GL. Based on this account key, system is able to determine the GL account. Okay, so this ERL is assigned to GL account in this case, and that is the reason if you see the accounting document of our billing document, you'll be able to see that system has determined. Even here also you can see, if I go to environment, revenue account, system is clearly showing you that GL account 3000 has been determined. Okay, and this same GL 3000 is used in accounting document also. You can see this one, second line. Okay, even you will be able to see the condition type also, account key also. So if I show you in the change layout, normally it appears transaction. No, not this transaction. There is a transaction field. Okay, so let me bring this transaction type this side. Enter. No, it is not showing. Normally it shows just like MWS, it will also show you ERL. It will show you that this revenue GL account has been determined based on the transaction type ERL. Okay, so let me explain you this in the very simple form. Okay, so whatever we discussed, I'm just trying to summarize today. Our sales organization, our distribution channel, our division, customer pricing procedure, which is maintained in the customer master data. Based on this, system will be able to determine the pricing procedure. Okay, which will come in the sales order. Now, in this particular pricing procedure, there will be multiple condition types. Okay, this pricing procedure will have multiple condition types. For example, what are the different condition types? We have the base price. Okay, we have freight, we have discount, we have taxes. These are the different condition types. Okay, the values, if you want the default values, like how much percentage, how much is a per quantity charges, that we can maintain in transaction VK11. In VK11, we can maintain the master data for the conditions. We can maintain what is the price per unit, what is the price or what is the total freight charges, what is the total discount charges. Okay, that we can maintain in transaction VK11. In VK11, we make the use of access sequence, based on which system will be able to. Okay, in VK11, we make the use of the access sequence. Based on the access sequence, there are multiple condition tables. Okay, we understood we can create our own condition tables with the numbers which can start after 501. You can create your own condition tables. You can include those condition tables in the access sequences. You can include one or multiple access sequences within your VK11, and based on this access sequence, system will be able to determine the base price. System will be able to determine the freight, discount, taxes, and all. Right, and ultimately, whatever has been determined, whatever is your total price of the particular sales order at the time of billing, for each and every condition, for each and every condition type, there is an account key. Okay, so account keys are assigned to each and every condition type. Okay, so for example, ERL is assigned to PR00, your base condition. If it is PR00, ERL is assigned. Same way for freight, there will be some additional condition account key which is assigned. For discounts, there will be any additional account key which will be assigned, and each and every account key is assigned to VKOA. In VKOA, it is assigned to the GL. Okay, so ultimately, whenever you enter this combination, sales organization, distribution channel, customer, system will determine the pricing procedure. Based on the pricing procedure, system will determine various condition types. Each of those condition types, we can maintain the values in VK11. In VK11, we can maintain the values as per the access sequence. Within the access sequence, there are multiple condition tables. Okay, and then each and every condition type is assigned to account key, and each and every account key is maintained with GL, so that whatever values are available in your pricing procedure, ultimately all those condition types are posted in accounts. If any one of the condition is not able to determine the GL, system will not generate any accounting document. Okay, so if I show you this VKOA in detail, if I take you to VKOA once again, you can see what are the different combinations you can maintain. Obviously, chart of account, sales organization, and then if you want to determine separate GL based on different account assignment groups, based on for different customers, you want to determine separate GL, or for different materials, you want to determine separate GLs, then there are two additional fields in the material master and customer master. In customer master, there is a field. If I take you to BP, assignment category, in customer master also there is a field called as account assignment category, and in material master also there is a field called as account assignment category. So based on this account assignment categories, we can have multiple GLs. So one is in customer master. So if I take you to BP, okay, let's assume this is our customer. You can see this account assignment category for customer, account assignment group. So this is at the customer master data level. Same way, if I take you to material, for this same material, and if I take you to sales related data, okay, let me press enter. Here also you would be able to see account assignment group. So either in sales area organization 1 data or in sales organization 2 data. You can see here, this is also account assignment group for material. So if I want a separate revenue account to be determined based on different materials, then you can maintain this different account assignment groups here in the material master data, and based on each account assignment group, we can have different GLs. See, ultimately, how many GLs accounts are required, how it can be mapped to the different SD transactions. These are all the decisions taken from FI. Okay, but at the same time, it has a very critical integration with SD. So definitely you must know this, but ultimately in the project, when you are working on the project, all these things will be taken care by FI. Only thing is, you need to collect the GLs from FI and you need to maintain those GLs in VQA. Either you collect it and you maintain it, or you properly give it to your FI counterparts and let them maintain it. So that is the project discussion, who is going to take care of the VQA transaction, but ultimately it requires a very critical integration between SD and FI. Because FI guy will not know how many pricing conditions you have created, which pricing conditions are important to you. And you will not know that out of whatever condition types are created, which condition types will make the posting in which GL accounts. That is the reason it is a very important discussion to have with FI. Okay, any questions? Okay, if not, let's close today. And in tomorrow's session, I will give you some more insights on the pricing procedure. There are some important fields in the pricing procedure that we need to discuss. And then we will discuss about our next topic, that is credit management. Tomorrow we will start credit management. I actually wanted to start the availability check, but I am planning to take availability check together with MM, because availability check requires MRP and other details which are common with MM. So tomorrow we will continue with our pricing and credit management. In our next session, we will have a joint session with MM where we will discuss the availability control. Okay, thank you all. See you tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.